Knocknok. How to add new material. Click Add Material. Enter driver's name. Enter driver's contact number. Select vendor from drop-down. If the vendor is not mentioned in the drop-down, select Other and manually input the vendor's name. Select employee who requested that material from the drop-down. If the employee's name is not available in the list, the material is not permitted to enter the premises until confirmed. Enter challan number. Select vehicle for loading or unloading. Enter vehicle number. Click driver's photo. Click challan photo. Select material from drop-down menu. Enter the quantity. To add more materials, tap Add Material again and repeat the steps. Tap Save to finalize and submit the material entry. To review material entries, go to the Activity tab. There, you will see a list of all material entries made during the day. Once the vehicle has completed loading or unloading and ready to leave, simply tap on Out. Scroll form to the end. Confirm by selecting Save to successfully log their exit. The Knocknok dashboard provides a comprehensive view of material entries, including the total duration of each visit within the premises. Knocknok redefines system at your door to monitor, record and track the movement of material or human coming in and going out of the premises can be notified from anywhere, any part of the world on a single click. Knocknok enables a seamless, technology-driven material experience, eliminating manual registers and ushering in a smarter, more secure way to manage entries. Let's knock on your door and say goodbye to outdated logbooks.